Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Refuses Orders During Traffic Stop Ends Badly.
Hello, Officer Pino, Pensacola Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you, this tag no longer belongs on this car. Okay, it was supposed to have been replaced with the metal tag, so it's no longer assigned to the vehicle. And if it still was assigned to the vehicle, it expired back in March.
Oh, they got the temp tag.
Did you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance? Okay. Do either one of you have a medical marijuana card?
What?
Do either one of you have a medical marijuana card?
No.
Okay, because I can smell the odor of marijuana coming from the car. That's why I'm asking.
Do them every time. Stop smoking.
Huh? Okay. Do you have insurance? No, it's not. You gave me the title, the registration, the license plate, and then your driver's license. Do you have insurance for the vehicle? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you provide it to me? Huh?
Send an email.
That's fine. That's fine. Can you pull it up and show it to me? How long have you had the car?
Not very long.
What's that?
Not very long.
Not very long. Okay.
Y'all get put over for the tag? Yeah, I saw it expire like, what was that, March?
All right, Mr. Fair. I'm gonna have you hop out. Do you have anything on you that will poke, stick, or hurt me in any way?
No.
Do you have any objection to me searching you?
No.
Okay. If you can just, if you wouldn't mind putting your hands, there you go. All right, boss. I'm gonna have you step right here in front of my car. Okay. So, right up here. Yeah, right up here. So, like I told you, I can smell the odor of marijuana coming from the car. Okay. It's a little bit of weed in the car. I ain't worried about it. Okay. I'm not sitting here trying to ruin y'all's day over just a little bit of weed. Okay. Is there any weed in there that I'm gonna find?
No. It's just you probably smell it because of where we just came.
Where you just
came from? We just visiting right now. We're from here, but we just visiting. We stay in Colorado. And you know Colorado is marijuana.
Well, I got you, but there's absolutely no way I would still smell the odor of marijuana coming from the inside of your car from Colorado.
We just came. We just arrived tonight. We ain't got no seats.
Okay.
No seats.
Okay. So I'm gonna search the car based on the odor of marijuana. Okay. Not worried about a little bit of weed, nothing like that. That's all it is. Get y'all out of here. We'll call it a day. All right. Okay. What brings y'all here from Colorado?
This is my hometown.
Okay. Right on.
So I got a Florida license. I'm just visiting. I'm just still getting everything still prepared.
I got you.
Transferring and everything.
I need you to step out. Open the door and step out. Roll the window down. I know you can hear me. I need you to open the door and step out.
Oh boy.
She's refusing to get out of the car. 158. Can you roll another this way?
Ma'am, I need you to step out of the vehicle. I do not want to arrest you for resisting.
Typically, it's the guys that ain't acting right. She not acting right, and she is going. Her actions make them both look bad.
Can you try to tell her to just yell to her to get out? I don't want to arrest her for something petty like this.
Nah, it just she had a lot of bad issues and bad.
I get it. I get it.
She get traumatized when she sees
But
that.
if she doesn't just get out of the car, yeah. Because if she doesn't get out of the car, we're gonna force her out, and then she's gonna go to jail.
Honey. Come on. Come on.
Step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle.
Yes. What?
Step out of the vehicle.
Because I'm telling you to. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle.
Is it a reason why you telling me to step out of the vehicle?
Any reason I want.
This guy said
Okay. So step out of the vehicle or you will be forced out. You'll be placed in handcuffs and then you will go to jail. Come hang out up here at my front bumper for me.
Damn, bruh. My boy, like, what's
Just sit
going
the bumper
on?
for me.
Why she acting like this, man?
Come on,
Come on, guys. We got to pick better, man. She making it worse.
I have no idea what's going on right now.
She gonna get y'all window busted.
Ma'am, all you gotta do is step out of the car, okay? I don't want to arrest you for that. Okay? Just get out of the vehicle for me, please.
Okay, and I don't know what I'm stepping out for. I asked and he told me.
You're on the phone with 911. We are 911.
The officer told me
Misuse of
to step away.
911.
That is so
Whatever
ridiculous.
it is to step out. So I'm stepping out with you on the phone with my hands up trying to move away from the officer.
Do you understand that we are police
I
officers?
don't understand what's going on, ma'am. So I'm ready. Please hurry up. For you to
She going to jail.
yes, ma'am.
Misuse of 911.
What's your name?
Yes, ma'am. And he told me, he said for whatever reason he want me to step out the car.
A police dispatcher does not have
And then
knowledge
it's
of criminal
another
law.
officer that's
I need
right
you
in
to
front of
go
me
over there. My name is Officer Dufour, the Pensacola Police Department.
And I don't know. I haven't been read my rights. I don't know what's going on. I don't.
He needs to radio to them to tell the dispatcher to get off the phone.
Don't know what I
need you to go over to that vehicle. I'm gonna
My
put you in
husband was
handcuffs.
driving, I'm so scared.
You're
I
in
don't-
handcuffs.
Oh my God, he's
Put your
touching
hands
me.
behind your back.
Ma'am, he's touching
Get out of the vehicle.
What's wrong with you?
Get out of the vehicle. You're gonna get tased.
What's wrong? What's going on? Please help me.
Get out of the vehicle. I'm going to tase you.
Please help me.
Get out of the
Please help me. Please help me. I got
Get out
my
of the
hands
car.
up.
Get out of the car.
What's wrong with you? I
Get
didn't
out
do
of the car.
anything. What did I do?
Get out of the car.
I don't know what I'm
You are
doing.
under
He's
arrest.
taking
You are
my arm.
resisting.
He's my arm, ma'am. I
You
don't
are
know
under
what I
arrest.
did. He
You're
pointed a
resisting.
gun to me. Please,
This
he
is a
holding a gun.
taser.
Please, he's not gonna kill me. Oh, he got a gun. He's shooting me. He's shooting me, ma'am.
Get on the ground.
Oh, God.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Please, I'm on the ground. Okay, I'm on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Oh, me too.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I am.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please.
Stop
Somebody help me.
resisting. Stop resisting.
Somebody help me.
Give me your arm.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Back up. Back up.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Get him. Detain him.
Somebody help me. Sir, I don't know what Sir, what am I being arrested for? What did I
Obstruction of
do?
justice.
What did I do?
Get the other arm.
What did I do?
Get tased again. Roll on your
What did
stomach.
I do? He's tasing me. He's tasing me.
Put your hand. Stop.
Let me still, man.
Stop.
He's pulling my
Put your
hair.
arm behind your back.
I am. He's pulling my hair for no reason. He's really abusing me. Please help me. Oh, what am I doing? He's just tasing me. Ouch. What are you
Clear
doing?
it.
What did I do? What the fuck is going on?
We're good.
What the hell? Please, I can't. You just threw me. You saved me on purpose.
Yes, 100%. Because you were resisting.
I didn't resist anything.
They were
I
both
don't
in her
know what
bag.
I did. What's in my bag?
They were in front of you for a shoot.
Sir, what is going on? I don't even know what's going on. Wait, what am I doing? What is going on? I haven't heard anything. What the hell? Why are you doing that? Why are you hurting me? You've been hurting me on purpose for no reason. Is your body cameras on?
100%.
Are
They
your
always
body
are.
cameras on?
Dumb motherfucker, man. Make no sense, man. They better find something good in the car, man. Because the way she acting, there must be something crazy in the car. If not, she just made this 10 times worse for no reason. No reason. Step out the car. Everybody get caught up on that weed shit. Man, people smoke weed like they dope fiends, man. Fiended out. It was like they hitting the needle. Nowadays, people smoke weed like they hitting the needle, man. Fiended out. Can't go a day without it. Fiends, man. I was just having this conversation with somebody, with a subscriber, that emailed me, man. We was talking about something. I don't know exactly what, but it pretty much came down to, you know, people gotta stop smoking weed, man. Got stop being fiends for the shit, man. And I don't want to hear that. Oh, well, it has medical use, blah, blah, blah. Man, y'all not smoking it for no medical use. I don't want to hear no PTSD. I don't want to hear that shit, man. Fiend out, man. Motherfuckers is fiend out. If you is smoking it for that, then you would have a card. And still, you can't drive under the influence. So, you still in the wrong. And people got to stop smoking it because why? Even if you're not smoking in the car, let's say you smoked at home, right? And now you go into the store and you get pulled over. That smell is still on you. It's still on you. Just like a person that smokes cigarettes. You can smell a person that smokes cigarettes. No matter how much perfume, whatever they try to cover up, cologne, you can still smell it. Because you can smell it on the clothes. It gets stuck in the hair. You can smell it. People got to get off that shit, man. Simple stuff like that is what's causing a lot of this stuff.
Yes.
So you just tased me like that for no reason?
Because you were resisting
I was not
and for battery on law enforcement officer.
A battery?
Yes.
You lying. The whole thing is on record.
Yes, it is.
Spread your legs.
Okay.
Spread your legs. Do not make me kick your legs again. Stop.
Ouch. What did I do?
Stand up.
Why are you jerking me like that? I'm not even resisting you and you hurting me. What did I do? You racist?
What are we doing? Are we playing silent game? What are we doing here? Talk. Ma'am, I know you can speak.
Yeah.
You've been speaking. What is in your breast?
I just told you.
And then
my earring.
And I asked you what side.
I'm not taking her first.
You said in it.
In your breast. What is in your breast?
200.
Just because the size of her breast, I could not get in between. The underside.
I'll let the jail now.
So just let the jail know.
Jasmine was charged with battery on an officer ×2, resisting with violence, and misuse of 911. The prosecutor immediately dropped the misuse of 911 charge, citing a lack of probable cause. The other felony charges remained. Currently, the defense is active.
What are you talking about? A lack of probable cause? Misuse of 911. She is calling 911 in the presence of 911. Like, what type of... Man, these people, man.
911 charge, citing a lack of probable cause. The other felony charges remained. Currently, the defense is actively investigating the state's evidence and deposing witnesses. Because the defense recently changed attorneys and requested more time to conduct depositions, the court granted a lengthy continuance. The case will not see significant action until February 24, 2026, when both sides will meet for docket day to tell the judge whether they are ready for trial, need more time, or have reached a plea agreement.
So in other words, they ain't gonna do shit. All of that, they ain't doing nothing. They ain't doing nothing. She getting let go. If she's still in jail, time served, call it a day. Unbelievable, man. This is misuse of 911 services, man. You can't call 911 on 911 with 911 in front of you. Like, how you gonna call 911 for help, but 911 is in front of you? That's misuse. You can't do that. Anyways, man, this is just... Motherfuckers be fiend for marijuana, man. Fiend out. Can't go a day without it. Fiends, man. Fiends. Fiend out, man. Well, it don't do nothing. It don't harm you, whatever. You're addicted. You're a fiend. Just because it's not a harsher drug like, with the needles and, snort, it's still, you're a fiend. You're a fiend, man. You're a fiend. Can't go without it. Golly. Motherfuckers be having withdrawals if they gotta go a week without it or something. Or even a day or two. Fiended out. Spending their last dollar on it. Motherfuckers eating tuna fish, but they got them a bag though. Fiended out, man. Anyways. I get a Cops 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.